I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the screen, and you're going to need these tools right here. And basically what you do, you're going to take the screwdriver and the spline right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the screwdriver under it, and you're going to lift it up, and you're going to take this and just take it out. Oop. Just like this. And just put it like this right there. Then you're going to pop out the screen. What you can do is you can just push it up like this. Then you just gently take it out. So now we're just going to put that over there for the garbage. Then we need the new screen. Here. This. Sure. This. Okay. And then we're gonna cut it with scissors. Around here. It doesn't have to be straight. And just okay, so this way. So just like this. And we're gonna cut one side, so you're just gonna bring that a little over. And on this side, you're just gonna cut it right here. And it has to be straight, so put that here. This here. Here. Now we're gonna put this like this, and we're gonna get the spine here. Just place it like this, and you're gonna come over here, start with one end, and it's basically you just have to put it back. You're going to need this tool right here, and this is just if you want to make like an indentation, and after you can put it in, and this one is just to push it in basically. That one is to push it in, this one is to make like a little place for this to go in, so it's easier. So I'll just do like a little indentation first. Make sure not to go here, or else you're gonna have to redo all of this for cutting the screen. So you're gonna have to put this here, and then you're just gonna push it in with this one. So you're just gonna push that in, and this is your starting point, and your ending point is gonna be over here. So now you're just gonna push it, and then you should just go on the other side of where you're going and just push it down and push at the same time, just like this. And the screen will tight itself right after, so. And then once you have it like this, you're just going to do it again just to make sure that it's all pushed in, because over here it wasn't pushed in all the way. And after you're going to continue over here, and you're just going to push it. Then you're going to go over here, and then it's going to be the corner. If it's like this, it doesn't really matter, you just basically turn it. This. And when you have it basically almost in, you just wanna put this, and after you just push it in, then you come on this side, push it in more, so then it goes into the corner, like so. And then you're gonna just continue like this. Push this in. Come on this side. And then you're just gonna push it in basically like this. And it doesn't really matter if this gets cut, because we're gonna have to cut this later. But if you cut it in here, you're gonna have to take all of this off. Then you're just gonna bring the corner on that side. You're just going to want to push it in. Like that. And you're just going to put this in place. Push it in a little. Then you're just going to come on this side again. So it's easier for you to push and put it in. And then the last corner right here. Push it off the side, push it in, just make sure that this is in, okay. Then you're gonna just push that a little bit more, then you're gonna place this down. And you don't want it to go all the way over here, and we're just gonna cut it so then it's easier to take it off again if you need to replace the screen again. Let's put this. Continue. And when you're near the end, like so, where you have this much, I'm just going to get the scissors. And try not to cut the screen here. You're just going to cut off a little piece like this. So just a little piece. There. You're gonna grab this thing with the end where you push it in. Just push in that little bit. Make sure it's pushed in. Like make sure little areas like this you have to push it in again. Make sure it doesn't come out. And then once you have that, you're gonna get these. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna go like this. So coming towards you, you do not want this end to go here. So what you do is you put the corner here, put it like a 45-degree angle, and you basically just go like this. Like that. And at the corner, just basically go like this in the corner. And after you continue, and the last last part. Oh, I forgot to do this corner. Okay. This, and you're just gonna continue that. Just gonna go in the garbage. And there's your screen. This little piece. Okay. There's your screen done, replaced. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.